Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria Riggins, and on Sundays I put out a Sunday business video taking you along my side hustle journey. I guess you could say I'm a part-time seller on Poshmark. So today I'm going to share my Poshmark work routine. Just so you know, my weekend routines are far more structured than my routines during the week. So the first thing I do when I log in is check for sales. And luckily today, I had 2 sales. Then I share my closet. I try to do this at least 3 times a day. When you share your closet, you're giving the items that you're selling exposure. Whatever you share shows in your followers' feed. So the more followers, the better. It lets others know that your closet is active, and a closet with a lot of shares can attract buyers. So basically, sharing keeps your listings at the top of the search results, brand pages, followers feed, and showroom. After I share all 216 items and growing, I go into my Poshmark inventory closet to pull the items that were purchased. I did a closet tour in my last Sunday business video. If you're interested in seeing it, I will leave the link below. Now I print out the shipping label and prepare the items. Just so you know, you can manage your entire Poshmark closet with your cell phone using the Poshmark app, and that's what I normally do. When you make a sale, Poshmark will send you the shipping label right to your email, and then you could print it up. If anything I sell is wrinkled, I will iron it. It's probably time for me to invest into a steamer. I will also do another thorough check, which is something I do before listing it and before shipping it, just in case. And I always run a lint brush over everything. So this blouse is new with tags. I'm not going to iron it because I'm a little nervous that I may burn it due to the material. So I'm just going to run over it with a lint brush. So when I started to get a little more serious with Poshmark, I needed a shipping station. I needed someplace to keep all my supplies in one area so that I could move the process along. I didn't want to have to go around the house looking for tape, scissors, wrapping paper. So I got this table from our basement and set it up right in the corner of our master bedroom. So I have my thank you cards in one spot. I have my tissue paper, pens, tape, anything that I need to ship out an item. I have my boxes, which I keep underneath the table. I plan to redo this some way, somehow, make it a little neater, maybe get some drawers, plastic drawers that I could slip underneath the table. I don't know, I have to figure it out. But until then, this will do. So that green rope that I just pulled on, I put there to sometimes hang items that were thoroughly checked, ironed, and ready to be photographed. Now I'm going to write out thank you cards, and package my items. If you were to order something from Poshmark, would presentation matter to you? Or just as long as the item was sent as described, you're fine? I personally think presentation matters, and some people don't, and that's totally fine. But when I send out items to my customers, I take out a moment to nicely wrap it and place a thank you card with it. I think that little touch goes a long way. It is not mandatory nor necessary to do it. It's really up to you.
I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote. This is the seed, light the show. Watch them grow. I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote. This is the seed, light the show. Watch them grow. Grow, grow. Grow, grow. grow, perceive default. This is the seed, like the show. Watch them grow.
So now I'm going to schedule my packages to be picked up. All I have to do is go to USPS.com, schedule it, and they will come to my front door to pick them up. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed coming along with me during my Poshmark work routine. As you may know, there's more to the process, but that will be part 2. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss out. If you're considering starting Poshmark, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at my next video. Bye.